Welcome to Imran Fact, your trusted channel for finance, money tips, and smart investment strategies. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss any of our powerful financial insights. And if you enjoy today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow and reach more amazing people like you. The year 2025 is already proving to be one of the most dynamic times for global finance. Markets are shifting, technology is evolving at lightning speed, and opportunities are everywhere. But here's the truth. Without the right strategies, people often end up working harder for money instead of letting money work for them. That's exactly why today's video is special. We are going to break down powerful, actionable tips that can strengthen your savings, multiply your investments, build multiple income streams, and ultimately create financial freedom. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, check your phone, and see that while you were sleeping, your investments earned you money. That's the life we're talking about, where you're no longer chained to the 9-to-5 grind, but instead living on your own financial terms. But before we dive in, let me quickly ask, are you excited about taking control of your financial future? If yes, drop a yes in the comments below. Every great building starts with a solid foundation, and your financial journey is no different. Let's start with savings. Emergency fund. First, an emergency fund is like your financial life jacket. No matter how skilled a swimmer you are, you need that life jacket when the waves get rough. Experts recommend saving 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Picture this. Your car breaks down, a sudden medical bill arrives, or your job situation changes overnight. Instead of panicking, you calmly dip into your emergency fund and life goes on smoothly. That's the peace of mind you deserve. Automate your savings. One of the smartest tricks is to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. When you pay yourself first, you build wealth without even thinking about it. Now let's talk about investing. If saving is the foundation, investing is the structure that builds your financial house higher and stronger. Diversification is key. Think of your investments like a colorful garden. If you plant only one type of flower and pests arrive, your garden dies. But if you plant many different flowers, trees, and plants, your garden thrives no matter what. That's what diversification does, spreading risk while increasing potential returns. In 2025, the smart investor looks beyond just stocks. Bonds, real estate, ETFs, even emerging options like peer-to-peer lending or cryptocurrencies can add strength to your portfolio. But remember, every investment has its own risks. Never put money you can't afford to lose into high-risk assets. Harnessing technology is another game changer. We live in a world where powerful apps and platforms can track your spending, monitor your investments, and even suggest personalized financial strategies. Budgeting apps can show you where your money is leaking. Investment apps can automate stock purchases, and learning platforms can turn you into a smarter investor, step by step. Knowledge is power, and in 2025, self-education in finance is a priceless investment. Now let's focus on creating multiple income streams. One income source is too risky in today's economy. The real financial freedom comes when you have money flowing from different directions. This could be freelance work, side businesses, affiliate marketing, dividend-paying stocks, or rental properties. Even small streams can add up, creating a river of income that supports your lifestyle. Imagine the freedom that comes from knowing your bills are covered by passive income, while your main job money goes straight into savings and investments. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap. 1. Build an emergency fund and save consistently. 2. Invest wisely and diversify your portfolio. 3. Use technology to budget, track, and learn. 4. Create multiple income streams to maximize your growth. These are the stepping stones to financial freedom in 2025. So, if you found value in today's video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Imran Fact, and share this video with your friends and family. Your support keeps us motivated to bring you more powerful content every week. Drop a comment below and let us know. Which of these strategies will you start using first? Remember, every step counts on your journey to financial success. Thanks for watching Imran Fact. Stay smart, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video.